We got race number 5, Junior 1 race. Number 0H, Owen Hammond. 99, Sheets. 94B, Baird. Number 14, Shoemaker. Number 98, Crowley. Number 44, Morgan. Number 185, Morgan. 26, Kinley.
Here we go down the back straightaway. We got them all lined up as they come around 3. And hopefully when they come around 4, he's going to wave it green. He is not. He doesn't like what he sees, so we're going to reline it up. Going to reline it up here. Get the restart going already.
BC's coverage of the 2024 Paris Olympics.
Here we go. When they come around 4, we're going to be green. It's Hammond with a quick lead as Sheets. It's Hammond in first as they go through 2 down the back straightaway. Hammond's going to be first. Sheets second. Baird third. Shoemaker fourth. As they come through 4, Hammond cruising around 4. He's still in first. Sheets right there. Shoemaker right on him. As they go down the back straightaway, the battles for second, third, fourth, fifth. As Hammond's got most control of first at the moment as they go down the front straightaway. Sheets is second, and Shoemaker fifth. Shoemaker's got it right now. Here we go with Sheets second. Shoemaker third, fourth. Coley's in fifth, right there with him. It's a battle for second, third, fourth, fifth. He goes down the back straightaway, the rest of them shoot through 2, now they down the back straightaway. Cruising into third. Here we go with Sheets and Shoemaker. Sheets still has it. Shoemaker right there. Round 1, they're into 2 down the back straightaway. Shoemaker is right on Sheets as they go into 3. Coming into 3 is Owen Hammond comes up in 1. Sheets, Shoemaker right there. Looks like Foley has made his way up to 4th. Hammond has sole possession of 1 to battle for second between Sheets and Shoemaker. Right here as they're going through 1, they come into 2, through 2, they're going down the back straightaway. Foley is trying to catch up to them. He's got 4th as they all come into 3, round 3, and come into 4. Here we go with Sheets and Shoemaker. Sheets has second, Shoemaker has third. As they go into 2 down the back straightaway. Shoemaker trying to make his move. He's not there yet. There he goes. Hammond has gone over the final lap. He's got sole possession of first. Sheets has second. Shoemaker has third. Here we go. Shoemaker making his move. Sheets won't let it happen. He's got second right now by an inch. Owen Hammond is going to be your winner of this race. As Sheets has second, Shoemaker has third. Foley's going to get 4th.